In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Canva to Wix website. This process is helpful when you want to place a Canva design directly onto your Wix site, without having to recreate the design from scratch. The key idea is that you will embed your Canva content inside Wix using an embed widget or embed HTML. To begin, open your Wix editor. This is the main editing area where you can change pages, add elements, and update what visitors will see. Take a moment to make sure you are editing the correct page where you want the Canva design to appear. If you have multiple pages, this step saves you from having to redo work later. Next, click the plus icon for Add Elements. You will usually find this option in the editor interface, and it is the gateway to adding new features to your page. Once you click it, a panel or menu will appear with different element types. This is where you will tell Wix that you want to place an embed. Now search for embed. As you type, Wix will filter the available elements, so you can find what you need quickly. Look for an option called Embed a Widget, or an option called Embed HTML. Both choices allow you to place external content, but the Embed HTML option is especially useful when you already have the code you want to use. Select whichever option you see and that matches the code you have from Canva. After you select Embed a Widget or Embed HTML, you will see an element placed on your page or a placeholder ready to accept content. At this point, you are setting up the place where your Canva embed code will go. This step matters because without inserting the element first, Wix does not know where to display the external design. Next, paste the code into the element in your Wix editor and click Update. Make sure you are pasting the full embed code exactly as provided by Canva or as generated for embedding. Then click Update so Wix can process the code and display your Canva content properly. If the design does not show right away, giving it a moment after clicking Update can help, since the editor sometimes needs a few seconds to render the embed. Once the embed is in place and Wix has updated, you should review the result on the page. Check that the Canva design appears in the correct location and that it is sized how you want. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust the element or recheck the code you pasted. This is the stage where it is best to confirm everything is correct before moving on. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes your changes live on your actual website, so visitors can see the Canva embed. Before publishing, also make sure you are ready to push the update live, since publishing will affect what people see right after the process completes. After you click Publish, Wix may take a moment to finish uploading the changes. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to connect Canva to your Wix website by embedding your Canva content using Wix Editor.